way to let computer decide the things ultimately is to create a loop. First, we go to Google Drive and find out Google Colaboratory and install it. And then we can use Google Colaboratory to write the programming code. This is the code I have written, if-else loop. I type 0. It prints I haven't eaten any apple. Then I type the number more than 1. It prints I have eaten more than 1 apple. If I type 1, it goes to if. If I type 0, it goes to else. It goes to the condition that I have set it. Thanks for watching. Let us continue set up effort record.